question on standard normal curve, you draw a normal curve. Draw a normal curve. Draw a picture, and the picture is the picture of a normal curve. All right, so I think I need to pull up a whiteboard. And my template. Okay, so we are doing number 2, and the question A says find the area to the left of z equal to 0.33. So this is area to the left. So I'm just going to write it as a probability. So question A says find the area, find the probability or area under the normal curve for z less than or equal to 0.33. So I'm looking for area. It says find the area. So let's see what B says. Find the area to the left again of z equal to negative 0.18. So find area to the left again. So z is less than equal to, say, to the left again, so negative 0.18. And then C says find the area to the left. Why are they all to the left? All right, so anyway, I think I have to just do 2 of them because they're all to the left, area to the left. So doing 2 of them will be enough. Okay, so find area to the left. And the first one I want to do is to draw a normal curve showing area to the left. And I can use my calculator or the table to find the area. So for A, I'm finding the area to the left. So I'm going to draw a normal curve. And then I will draw the mean. The mean of a normal curve has mu equal to 0. And because the point is greater than 0, this point is somewhere here at the right. Somewhere here at the right. So this is 0.33 is equal to 0.33 is somewhere here. 0.33. But I'm told to find area to the left. So I am going to shade the area that I'm looking for. And then I hope you remember that I hope you don't forget this. Your calculator does not know about negative infinity if you write it like this. So you have to use negative 1 to the power 99. So the next thing I want to do is to write the argument for my calculator. So I want to write the argument. I'll give my calculator. So remember, today is Unit 3 review. So we are reviewing everything: normal curve, central limit theorem, binomial distribution, as much as we can. We started this review on Monday, so this is second day of review. So I'm going to tell my calculator to calculate normal cumulative density function starting from the lower bound is negative infinity, starting from the left, the lower bound, stopping at 0.33. The mean of a standard normal curve is 0. The standard deviation of a standard normal curve is 1. So this is standardized. That's why they called it a standard normal curve. Then the next thing is to pull up my calculator and calculate. How do I find normal CDF? You go to second distribution. Normal CDF is number 2. And then I am going to tell my calculator what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the area between negative infinity and 0.33. So negative 1 e to power 99 is already here. The next one is the mean is 0. The standard deviation is 1. So I am going to pass. Is that what you're looking for? Yes. So that area is percent. So 62.93%, because I'm looking for area. If I'm told to write it in decimal, I can write 0.6293. So remember, it is probability. You are told to write your answer in percent or decimal. Okay, if you ask the proportion, area is the same as a percentile. The cumulative area to the left. Okay, so that's about A. So let's go to B. Both of them are area to the left, so I just have to do one example. Example 2, find the area to the left of this. Example 2, B. So the first thing I want to do is draw a normal curve of B. And the mean is the line of symmetry. All right. But this 0.18 is negative, therefore it's on the left-hand side of normal curve. Negative 1.18, negative 0.18. So it's on the left-hand side of the normal curve. So this area is smaller than the other area. Because it's on the left-hand side, I know it's my 50%. It's area to the left. Therefore, I am talking about the lower bound is negative infinity. Lower bound is negative infinity. All right, now I'll tell my calculator, I put normal cumulative density function. This is what I'm going to feed my calculator. So starting from negative 1, e to power 99, comma, then I'm stopping the upper bound is negative 0.18. You don't forget it's negative. The mean is 0. The mean of a standard normal. The standard deviation is 1. So I'll pull my calculator up and feed my calculator with what I'm looking for. All right, so normal CDF, second distribution. Normal CDF is number 2. The lower bound is infinity, negative infinity. The upper bound is negative 0.18. Don't forget the sign. Do not forget the sign. This is a standard normal, so mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. So I'm going to paste. So I'm looking for area between negative infinity and z equal to negative 0.18. If I hit enter, it gives me the area. It tells me that the area is 42.86%. I'm not surprised because actually negative 0.18 is less than the mean. So I'm not surprised that it is 42.86%. So that area is 0.42. I'm writing it in percent, but the question can say leave your answer in decimal. 0.86%. Remember, if your question says you leave your answer in percent, don't forget to write percent. So these are the two examples that I want to do in normal distribution. I hope you know if it says area to the right, then you accumulate to the right. If it says area between, I hope you still remember that it could be area between, area to the right, area to the left. Okay, So the next one, let's get to another example. And by the way, suppose I want to read the chart. Suppose I want to read a chart for any of this. I'll go to the chart. I'll go to the chart and read the. So let me pull up the chart because I might be told to read the chart. It doesn't really matter whether you read the chart or use your calculator. Actually, your calculator is more accurate. So this is the standard normal distribution. And suppose I'm reading the chart for area to the left of negative 0.18. So I can really go and find the negative 0.18, negative 0.1. So since I see negative 0.1 here, I will arrow to the right. I will go to the right. I'm going to use my pen. So negative 0.1. I'm reading the chart. So 0.10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it doesn't really matter if you use your calculator or do it by you get the same thing. So the area is 0.4286 approximately. If you're told to write it for area, negative 0.13. Okay, well, suppose I read the chart for 0.33. So let me show you how to read the charts for 0.33. If I'm reading the chart for 0.33, I will pull up my Z chart, which I have right now. This is 0.3. It's not negative. And then 0.33, this is 0.30, 0.31, 0.32, 0.33. So the same area. The area is 0.6293, approximately 62.93% if you're told to leave your answer in percent. So it doesn't matter if you read the chart. Some people like to read the chart. Some like to use the calculator. If you know how to do both of them, that is great. Okay, so this is review about normal distribution, finding the area to the left, and reading with calculator and reading the chart. So you know both of them. You can use any of them on the exam. The test starts on Friday in 2 days. Okay, so this is review about normal distribution. If you have any question, let me know. This is review on